Well, in this lecture, I am going to talk about the rise of novel. The rise of novel is a great event in the 18th century. Before 18th century, we do not have the novel form it has in the present form. Novel was not a separate literary genre before the 18th century. It was uh, John Mullan who explains how the novel took shape in the 18th century with the works of Daniel Defoe, Richardson, Fielding, and Sterne. Daniel Defoe published Robinson Crusoe in 1719. It was for the first time that a literary genre came to describe the life of individual, the adventures, the journeys, the experiences of an individual man. It is an extraordinary event in the history of literature in the 18th century. In the novel Robinson Crusoe, the life of individual gets full expression. It focuses the personal life of Robinson Crusoe. He has long experiences of life. He travels strange places and he narrates his story in a very realistic way, realistic manner. This was the first attempt to write a novel in English language. The emphasis is on the inner life of character. The novel explains the inner life, the life that an individual leads. Then Daniel Defoe wrote Moll Flanders, Colonel Jack, and Roxana. They are all the stories of individual man narrating their good as well as bad experiences in life. The novel could not attract the readers much because it was ridiculed during that time as a literary genre. But later, these novels got recognition. The readership grew with the coming of the printing press. Novels and books were printed in huge number, and novel as a genre got much popularity. After Daniel Defoe, we have Richardson. Richardson was a painter. He became a novelist by accident. Richardson published Pamela in 1740. Pamela is a 15-year-old servant girl. She is very courageous and bold. She fights the odds and oddities of her life single handedly. She tries to resist the attempts of her master, Mr. B, to seduce her. So, this was for the first time when a lady or woman of lower strata of society acts as a heroine in the in literature. So Pamela occupies tremendous importance in the history history of development of novel in the 18th century. Then Richardson wrote Clarissa. Clarissa is also a great heroine. She is deceived and cheated by Lovelace with his associates and friend Wayford. She succumbs to their pressure and she is seduced by Lovelace. It is just in contrast to Pamela. It was an immediate bestseller. Then Henry Fielding's Shamela, published anonymously in 1741. Shamela also became very popular. It drew the attention of the readers very much. The novel depicts the life of Shamela. Shamela tells her story in series of letters. All these novels makes use of letters. That form of novel came to be known as epistolary novel letter. So all these novels have the form of letters, or they are in the form of letters. Fielding's Joseph Andrew and Tom Jones became very popular during the time. Lawrence Stern's Tristram Shandy was published in 1759. This novel also became very popular. Tristram Shandy is packed with learned jokes and parodies. Sterne came to London and he relished his role as a novelist. Tristram Shandy is a 17-year. This novel came in serial and it covered 7-year period. To conclude, the novel came into existence in the 18th century. This was the infancy of the of novel genre. Later, the form and the structure of novel witnessed change after change with the change of trends and movements and history of the world. To conclude, 18th century witnessed the beginning of the novel. It came as an independent genre of literature. Thanks.